Hello learners, how are you all doing? I hope you are all doing great. So as requested by many of the students to start a revision series on the subject of surveying or geomatics engineering. So I'm here coming up with an entire series of revision session. So this will purely be a revision session wherein all the theory as well as the formulas which are important for your surveying subject will be discussed. So basically the total schedule is for 3 weeks starting from the second week of July till the end of July. So totally 18 classes of half an hour each will be there. So you can see this particular course is useful for all the aspirants who are aiming for writing your GATE and ESE. Right, so in the first week we will be covering fundamentals of surveying, linear measurements and angular measurements. In the second week we will be covering plane table surveying, theodolite, traversing and leveling, and in the third week we will be doing trigonometric leveling, tachyometry, contouring, curves, triangulation surveying, as well as we will have a quick insight of the advanced surveying. So this entire thing will come under the basic part of surveying. We'll come up with one more series further on the advanced surveying. So I'll give an insight on the last class. So basically in this course you will be able to study the in and out theory, quick revision. It is a very quick revision because a lot of you requested that ma'am we have already completed the surveying or the geometric engineering subject, but we want a quick revision on it so that we consolidate all the data. So basically I'll be consolidating all the data or the theory and the formulas which are there in this subject in these particular 18 classes. So the classes are commencing from today, that is the 12th of July, scheduled from 5 to 5:30 p.m. on the Unacademy Accord channel. Okay, so I request you all to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon so that you can get the class notification. Also, you can share with your friends, juniors, seniors, whoever are preparing for the GATE and ESE exam to come and join me for this session. It will be a very useful session for you. Let's crack it.